Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change shop currency in WooCommerce. If you're running an online store and need to switch to a different currency to match your target market or business needs, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store. This step is essential as you'll need access to your WordPress dashboard to make any changes to your shop settings. Once you're logged in and viewing your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your site. Locate and click on WooCommerce. This is the main hub for all your store settings and configurations. When you click on it, an expanded menu will appear showing you additional options related to your WooCommerce store. From these expanded options, click on Settings. This section contains all the core settings that control how your store operates, including payment methods, shipping, and importantly for us today, currency options. You'll now be on the General Settings page, which is where WooCommerce stores fundamental information about your shop. Scroll down through these settings until you find the Currency option. This field determines what currency your prices will be displayed in and what currency your customers will pay with. When you locate the Currency field, click on the drop-down menu. You'll see a comprehensive list of currencies from around the world. Browse through and select the currency you wish to use for your store. Whether you're switching to US dollars, euros, pounds, or any other currency, simply click on your preferred choice. After selecting your new currency, there's one final crucial step. Look for the Save Changes button, typically located at the bottom of the settings page, and click on it. This action confirms your selection and updates your store to display prices in your chosen currency. Give it a moment to process and save these changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your shop currency in WooCommerce, and your store will now display all prices in the currency you selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.